Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve WeChat black screen. To know how to fix or how to solve WeChat black screen, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list, you will enter to the window of WeChat and you will click. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. After that, you will click on the window of storage. Here we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. Then here you will go to Play Store. You will search about WeChat. If you will find your update in this blue sign, you can click to update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.